first and foremost, this is a very awkward setup. They actually just started filming a movie outside of my window, and they came around and told everyone that we had to close our windows, which is like my main source of light. So it looks a little dingy in here right now, but I wanted to film my room for all of those who are wondering. So I live at like a student accommodation. So I have my own room, my own bathroom, but I share a kitchen and like common spaces. So let's get into it. So we start with the door, obviously. And then to the side, we have like a cable box. This is what you see when you walk in. But directly to the right, above is like a little storage thing. And to the side, there's a storage thing. So underneath, I have a shoe rack with my like most worn shoes, I guess. And then when you open this up, sorry it's so dark, like I said, there's no natural light coming in. I have some shelves. So up there I have workout pants and like regular shorts. This is where my workout shorts go, but I'm doing a giant load of laundry right now, so those are all getting cleaned. I have workout tops, regular like short sleeve shirts, and these are all tank tops and camis. And then right here is where t-shirts go, but once again, those are all dirty. Here I have little containers, so swimsuits, bras, underwear, socks. These are like thicker socks, like sleeping socks, and this is all winter gear, so scarves, gloves, everything like that. Then I have another row of shoes. Those are like my nicer like heels, booties, everything like that. So that's my first little thing of clothing. And then you keep going and I have another closet area. So on the door, it's me. I have a full-length mirror, and then in here is where I keep all of my dresses, which are right there, and all of my like nicer tops that I don't want in just folded up, long sleeves slash turtlenecks, sweaters, blazers, and like one little jacket. And I also keep my jewelry organizer in here, so that's really nice. And then down here is my cleaning box, so it just has everything in there, and it has a lid on it. Okay, and so then I'll turn you around, and that's what I was just standing under. So I have all my suitcases up there, packing cubes, the bedding that originally came with the room, and a few like other travel things. And then we keep going. This is my first food area. So I have a mini fridge that currently has chicken, bananas, leftover gnocchi, a water bottle, some wine, grapes, and butter. And then I have all of my like groceries, spices, all that stuff sitting out here. I want to get some form of organization for this, but I haven't done that yet, so that's where we're at. Then all along the wall, there's this little like knobs. So right there, I just have my two hats hanging. I have this really cool lamp that is super bright when turned on, and I always keep my mask of the day right here. And then this like moves if I want it to, like I can turn it down. And then right here I have some plugs, which is really nice, my computer, my planner. This is like school stuff, but school hasn't started yet, so it's not organized at all. And then when you look, I have a trash can, a chair with a little cushion on it. Now I'll keep moving this way. I have my purses hung up. I have my darker ones and lighter ones. Then I have this storage thing, which is where I originally kept my food, but I realized I had too much food. So this is a mess. All that's just stuff that needs to be organized when school starts. Then I have my markers and washi tape in that. Stickers, stencils, etc. in there. And all my electronics are down in that one. I have a little bag for recyclables. This is the newest addition to the room. So I just kind of made like a small gallery wall of art that I brought with me, or art that was like sent to me. Like those are postcards from my French teacher from college. And so it's like all Paris except for the Colosseum. But my goal is like when I travel this year to like add stuff to it. And then I'll step back a little bit to get the full view. But I have a giant window, which I will try to like insert a clip later, but yeah, that's my huge window that I'm not allowed to open right now. I have my yoga mat, the like radiator, no AC, but we do have heat, so that's good. That's my drying rack that I actually just bought this morning. My laundry basket usually goes right there, but it's downstairs with my laundry right now. And then this is an overview of the rest of the room. So I bought this rug from IKEA. I actually really like it. My floors are like linoleum. So I got this little rug, and then this is my bed. My aunt got me this little cover for it, which makes it look so much better. So I'm very thankful for that. And then I have a shelf above there, so I just have a cute little thing my grandma got me. It's like a music machine. I forgot what those things are called. An aloe, no, that's, yeah, an aloe plant. Air freshener, some cards, and then over here I just have all these books that I bought, a little bookstore down the road. I have another one of those lamps that also moves. This is really cool in here. It's like a cubby for nighttime. So right now it's just all my masks that I own, a gift that my grandma gave me to open on Thanksgiving, and then a plug. And the coolest part is it's a light switch for both the overhead light and this lamp. So if I get into bed and like forgot to turn off the light, no big deal. Then over here up on top, I keep my giant IKEA bags and reusable bags. And then right here, I have all my pants and skirts hanging. Back here are my pajamas / sweats. Then I keep my belts, my pearl earrings go in there. And then this is all my like toiletries that aren't in the bathroom. So extra hand sanitizers, Band-Aids, little makeup remover things, deodorant, lotion, sunscreen, perfume, and extra toothbrushes, and all my nail stuff in there too. Then down there I have cups, utensils, plates and bowls, and on this one I have my like pots and pans and spatula and strainer. Then we go over, I have my only coat that I own right now, which is really light, another jacket, and my backpack. School hasn't started yet, so it's just hanging there. I have a window that goes into the bathroom. And then over here, I have the light switch for the bathroom and another little plug, which currently has my fan plugged in because it's been like 80 degrees this week. This thing was originally under the bed or under the desk, but I have it here right now to like keep my fan there and blow on me in the middle of the night. And in there, I just have my makeup brushes, and like just a couple random things. So I don't wear makeup every day, so I don't need like out storage for it, but that's where that is right now. And then we go over here, I have just one of my bags hanging there, and into the bathroom. So it is a bright blue, if you haven't noticed already. This is just like a little overview of it. So you walk in, you're gonna see me sweating. I have this awesome storage cube, so that's like mineral water, and then I have all my face products right here. And then down we go, more face products. These are like my fancy ones I don't use every day, but I keep out on display because I think they're pretty. And that goes all the way down. I don't really have much to fill it. We have my sink, just mouthwash, floss, toothpaste, toothbrush, hand soap. And we go down, down, down. Down there I keep like feminine products, and this is my hair box. So that has my blow dryer, my hairbrush, all my scarves, like hair scarves, barrettes, everything like that. Toilet. Then we have this nice little fuzzy rug from IKEA. And then we have my shower curtain. My towel just like hangs up there. And then in the shower I have my little like hair covering thing. I always forget the name. And then I have this thing that holds all my toiletries. And I have one of the removable like shower heads, which is awesome. So yeah, there's that little window I was talking about. Then I have a hook on the back of the door where I have two towels. One's in the washer right now, so it'll just hang there. And then this is where I keep my dirty masks that I need to wash. So that's where all of those hang. And yeah, this is just another little overview of it. That is my room. Okay, so like I said, I live in a student accommodation. So I do have like a shared kitchen and everything. I really love it here. It's very nice, and like I like having my own space. It's not perfect. Like I don't have many decorations up or anything like that. It's never gonna be perfect, so I figured I would go ahead and show it now, and any changes I make throughout the next year, like, they'll be there. But yeah, I really like it. I'd like to bring in some more color, just because it is very, like, beige in here. But that's pretty much all, And also, there's obviously like a lot of clothes and stuff missing. I wish I could say that's all, but I just did like 2 loads of laundry downstairs, so that's fun.